Good morning! Here we are again. Okay. Dito na tayo sa second batch video ng SRNE hybrid inverter. Yung SRNE 6 kW hybrid inverter natin, meron siyang peak power na max ay nasa 12,000 watts. Bali, ang load capacity naman nito ay nasa 4 HP motor load. Ang max PV array niya is nasa 4.5 by 4.5 watts per string. Kasi dalawang string. So, bali for example, yung panel na gagamitin natin is OSDA 590 watts. Ang maximum panel niya is 16 pieces. Bali, 8 pieces per string. Pwede siya dyan. Okay. Ang max voltage of open circuit niya is nasa 500 VDC.